Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to start Max NCERT chapter number 10, Play with Patterns. Now next page, page number 110. Make a pattern without numbers. Now here we have to write without numbers, so we will use a alphabet. So first we will use AB, then BC, then CD, DE, EF, FG. Okay, any alphabet we can write to make a pattern. Now no number comes twice. Look at the number box. Can you see a pattern? So here one pattern is used that no number is coming twice. See in a vertical way also and in a horizontal way also. So no number comes twice in any line. So see first in horizontal way 1 2 3, then 3 1 2 and 2 3 1. Now in vertical way 1 3 2, 2 1 3, 3 2 1. So no number is coming in twice in a same line. Okay. So now you try writing the letter ABC in the box so that no letter comes twice in any line. So in this box we have to write ABC and we have to keep in mind that any letter should not be repeated in the same line. So how we will do? So first we will write ABC, then we will write CAB, then BCA. So one time we will check, okay, no letter will repeat. So first in horizontal ABC, then CAB, then BCA. No alphabet is repeated. Same way in vertical ACB, then BAC, then CBA. So this way we will write the letters. Now page number 111, magic patterns. Look at the pattern of number 1 to 7. See how each line add up to 12. See up to 1 to 7 they are arranged in this design, and there when we will add the line, so it will give us the addition of 12. See first we will add this horizontal line, so we will get 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 7 12. Same way we will line the cross line 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 6 12. Same way this cross line 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 1 12, and this horizontal line 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 6 12. So anywhere we will add the line we will get the addition of 12. Now you fill the stars. Use number 1 to 9 and the rule that the number on each line add up to 15. Now in this star we have to fill numbers 1 to 9, and they have given the rule that when we will add the line we will get the addition 15. So how we will do? So first we will write 2 9 4. So first we will see the addition we are getting. So 2 plus 9 11, 11 plus 4 15. Okay, right? Then in the vertical way 2 plus 7 9, 9 plus 6 15. Now in horizontal 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 3 15. Then in the vertical way 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 1 15. Then 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 8 15. Okay, so this way we will arrange numbers 1 to 9. Now magic triangles. Look at this number pattern rule. Numbers on each side of the triangle add up to 9. Same way in a triangle they have done number. So we will add this number in the line, we will get addition of 9. So 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 2 9. So see if the other side of the triangle also add up to 9. So if we will see this side, so this will give 9. Yes, the number on the other side of the triangle add up to 9. So 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 1 9. Same way this side 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 1 9. Now page number 112. Now use numbers 1 to 6 to make your own magic triangle. Rule: numbers on each side must add up to 10. Now here we have to use numbers 1 to 6, and each side, each line we will add, that will give us 10. So how we will write? So first we will write 1, then 4, then 5. First we will add 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 5 10. So here is proper In this line 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 3 10. Now here 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10. So this way we will make a magic triangle. Now number towers. Numbers can be arranged as a tower. We start from below and get this number pattern. Can you see the rule for this pattern? Rule: we had two numbers below to get the numbers in the box above them. So here three numbers are given in the tower in first step. So first we will add the two numbers. So 10 plus 20 we will get 30. Then 20 plus 30 we will get 50. Now we will add this both, 30 plus 50 we will get 80. So this way the tower will be made. Now here down 20 plus 30 50, then 50 plus 8, 50 plus 30, that is 80. Your explanation is given. Now page number 113, using the same rule complete this number tower. Now here number tower we have to complete. Here down step they have given. Now we have to finish the table tower. So first 5, 10, 15, 20. So first we will add these two. 5 plus 10 we will get 15. Then 10 plus 15 we will get 25. Then 15 plus 20 we will get 35. Now we will add these two. 15 plus 25 we will get 40. Then 25 plus 35 we will get 60. Now we will add this 40 plus 60 we will get 100. Now this tower is complete. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These they have given. Now we have to complete the tower. Now 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 3 5, then 3 plus 4 7, then 4 plus 5 9. Now this one 3 plus 5 8, then 5 plus 7 12, then 7 plus 9 16. Now 8 plus 12 20, then 12 plus 16 28, and 20 plus 28 we will get 48. So this way we will complete the tower. Now the same sum rule. Some friends are playing with the number card. See how they add. So here first from left and first from right. So can you see the rule which gives us the same sum each time? Rule: we get the same sum when we add the two numbers. Sum means what? Addition. Okay. Sum means what? Addition. So from left we will add, then from first right we will add, that sum will give us the same. So first from left and first from right. So what is the number in first from left side? That is 11, and first from right side is 16. So when we will add 11 plus 16, so we will get 27. Same way second from left and second from right. So second from left, that is 12, and second from right, that is 15. So 12 plus 15 also we will get 27. Then third from left and third from right. So third from left is 13 and third from left is 14. So 13 plus 14 also we will get 27. So now you write any number and the three numbers after that. Make a pattern using the rule. See if you get the same sum. So first we will write the number, any number we can write here. So 6, 7, 8, 9. So first we will take the first from left. So first from left is 6, then first from right is 9. So 6 plus 9 we will get 15. Now in second step, second from left, that is 7, then second from right, that is 8. So 7 plus 8 we will get 15. Okay, so here we got some same. Now page number 114, pattern with addition. So 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6. So here we will make the pattern with addition. Okay, now 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, then 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 5 12. So what is this? This is the sum grows by 3 each time. Okay, 3 numbers growing each time. So now the boy is doing here 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10. Then second pattern 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 5 14. Then 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 6, 18. Here the number grows by 5, 10, 14, 18. Here the sum grows by 4 each times. So now you try to make such a pattern with 5 numbers in order. So we want each time 5 number will grow. So first we will add 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10 and 10 plus 5, 15. Okay, so first number is 15. So then 2 plus 3, we will start from 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. So here 5 number grows after 15, 20. So 5 number grows. Then we will start from 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 7, 25. So here also same 5 grows, sum grows by 5. Now we will start from 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. Sorry, 14 plus 7. Again we will do 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 7, 22. 22 plus 8, 30. So again the number grows by 5. So 25 after 30. Now we will start from 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 plus 8, 26. 26 plus 9, that is 35. So here see all numbers grows by 5. 15 plus 20, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Now page number 115, secret message. What are you doing? I am trying to read the note my friend gave me, but I cannot understand it. Okay, let me see. It look like a secret message. So the boy is having the message that is written with number. So the boy can't understand what is the message. So Yamini explained the rule. Numbers have been used for letters. So for letters, numbers are used here. For example, J is 10, P is 16. So jump is 10, 21, 13, 16. Complete this list of letters and numbers to help you. So first we will complete this, then only we will come to understand. So for A we will write 1, for B 2, C 3, for D 4, E 5, F 6, G 7, H 8, I 9, J 10, K 11, L 12, M 13, N 14, O 15, P 16, Q 17, R 18, S 19, T 20, U 21, V 22, W 23, X 24, Y 25, Z 26. So how many letters are there? 26. So according to that we have given the numbers for that. Okay, so for C now J. J, which number is written for J? That is 10. Now for U, which number is written? 21. Then for M, so that is 13. Then for P, that is 16. So we will write in place of jump, we will write 10, 21, 13, 16. The same way Tinu wants to write to his friend good morning. So what will he write by using the same rule? So in place of good morning now we have to use a number. So how we will write? See for G. So G we will write 7. Now O we will write 15. Then again O we will write 15. Then D we will write 4. Then for morning, for M we will write 13. Then O we will write 15. Then R we will write 18. Then for N we will write 14. Then for I we will write 9. Then for N we will write 14. Then for G we will write 7. So thus good morning is written as 7, 15, 15, 4 means good. Then morning 13, 15, 18, 14, 9, 14, 7. So this way good morning is written in a number. Now same page. If we change the rule and write 1 in place of B and 3 in place of D, and all and so on. Then how will we write let us dance? So if we will change, how we will write A in place of 1, but here we have to write B in place of 1. So first we will see the alphabet. So for B we will write in 1 in place of 1, then C 2, then D 3, then E 4, F 5, G 6, H 7. This way 1 1 ahead will go. Then I 8, then J 9, K 10, L 11, M 12, N 13, O 14, P 15, Q 16, R 17, S 18, T 19, U 20, V 21, W 22, X 23, Y 24, Z 25, then we will give A 26. Okay, so this way we have changed the place. Now we have to write let us dance. So L is in the place of, that is L is 11, then E is in the place of 4, then T is in the place of 19, then U is in the place of 20, then S in the place of 18, then D is in the place of 3, then A is in the place of 26, then N is in the place of 13, then C is in the place of 2, then E is in the place of 4. So we will write let means 11 4 19, then us 20 18, then dance 3 26 13 2 4.